Welcome everyone to my new Solana price prediction video presentation for 25th of November 2023. Looking for discovering the most important things is usually taking care about the language of the market in a rational perspective. Solana for the past 24 hours has been suffering, one of those cryptocurrencies which is negative across the board on hourly, 24 hours, and 7 days, which is most likely a unique case scenario out of the top 10 right now. Now, obviously, these do not bother us knowing the fact that any crypto that moves more than 150% in a short period of time also has periods of stagnation, retracement, and sideways. It is not surprise. What is important is not to see 20-30% decreases one after the other and suffering that huge loss of confidence. That is not needed. Now, besides that, the fear and greed index is still high in the market, so this is still a great context for the market continuation. At the same time, the global crypto market cap has been sitting above $1.4 trillion level, which is fine. Now, for those of you that are interested in my main coaching program, make sure to check out basically our representation. For those of you that value education and believe this is important, check out our page. This is a one-on-one coaching directly with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade in a professional scale. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video, including for you the ability to schedule by yourself a call for free on Calendly, where I can explain you more, and then the done for you trading that we have. So we're going to talk about those in detail at the end of the video. Now, the hourly candlestick situation here for Solana looks like this. We have been going through a massive retracement at that time that generated basically a quite of a sufficient selling pressure that liquidated tons of millions of dollars. Couple of hundreds of millions of dollars have been liquidated in the space of crypto during that day. It has been 17.5% on the market. 1 day and 23 hours, the market reacted on our demand zone. A demand zone which we have been respecting, which we have been applying quite a few times already. The reaction that came in was prompt, aggressive, and very well determined, pushing the market back with 16%. Till the next supply level. This is a supply level indicating the markets at $60, which is not easy to break out, and it needs a proper preparation for that. So we're actually looking forward discovering the current reaction amongst the trending lines as well. There is a prior trending line, this one that starts from back in the day, and it runs through many structures out there, especially that it's crossing certain things. But the idea is that as soon as you're trading above, just like we're trying to sit right now, including the previous resistance from the markets that generated the high of Solana for the current rally at $68, that is now below us and we're trading above, is also acting as a resistance. Sorry, is also acting as a support. So we have actually two trending lines there that are supporting us at this level. We cannot lose that. Significantly and obviously, that is a market situation that is needed basically for people to regain the confidence into continuation of the rally just now. At the same time, on the above levels, it is not going to be an easy task because you have your supply level that you have been fighting with just a couple of hours ago. You also have your golden pocket that you have been fighting with back in the day, and you made a triple top, and then the whole market has been triggered downwards from that point. So $62, $63 are great liquidity points, just like I've encircled along the way with a golden pocket resistance. There's also a prior top on that. So in a nutshell, the markets have been finding major sell-offs touching the $62, $63 mark. It is 20% back in a day as well when we have touched that. We're actually looking forward to having a difficult time crossing the structure, but what is going to make this whole journey a lot easier is going to be the current supply level at 59.60s acting and reversing in its behavior, becoming our next support, and especially if we're having the ability to do it from the current levels, breaking above, retesting it, and then continuing by building an Elliott wave impulse as well, regenerating a such movement, and then the last wing basically could revisit the top, which would be obviously the first target with that. As soon as your current supply level at 59.60s will be transformed into your next demand zone, make sure to target basically $68 straight away without any lack of confidence, right? So that's 15% right there, because this is a major step upwards on building a structure that is preparing for a breakout. A double top would not mind to be facing there, and then a retracement that could be minor, but I would definitely love to see the support appearing at 62 at that time and the market continuation above $74 for the targets of Solana. There's a lot of the room for that, and one thing is for sure, when Solana starts moving, it does it very, very aggressively, guys. Now, what's happening below us for the other verse of scenario? If the current trending lines are being lost, then you have two major support and demand zones below you, this one and that one, right? So this is the $52 and then the $49.50, two major zones that will act with pressure and strength towards buying as well. The bears are going to lack confidence into pushing the price action lower and lower, unless the crypto space is going to tank for some reasons, of course. Now, that's pretty much all. If you enjoyed this one, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to check out my other videos as well, including for you that value education. Then we have the completely educational program, one-on-one with me live between 4 to 6 weeks, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, including the ability to schedule up a free call with me. And then on top of that, you have the ability to join my done for you trading. That is no upfront fees, only commission from the pure profits made, and the commissions are paid by you every 7 days. We are trading in an outsourced way. You only have to give trading permission from the exchange. We can do spot leverage for any sort of abilities. So you can check this out as well. Have a good time, folks. Looking forward to it. All the resources and links can be found in the description area of this video. Have a good time. We'll talk to you soon.